yourself being a teacher, what were the difficulties you faced in getting adapted to this new situation, like the online classes and all that?
Yes, first of all, I didn't know how to, this Zoom app and all. My daughters and my, some of the students also, they instructed me so how to share the screen and all, how to put the link and all, meeting link and all. So before that, all the teachers were given training regarding this in May last year, pandemic situation. No? So you be strong. There's nothing to worry about. You be careful, and then everything will be all right. So all those trainings were given to us. First of all, teachers were given instructions, and teachers were given trainings. Not one, not two. Many trainings were given by very different university professors, our university professors, like that. They just spoke to us, and they just gave training to us, so to be strong, mentally strong. And then with that, but what is the problem? The problem was how to send the link and all, how to share the screen, how to present the screen. All these problems were there. So so I learned slowly. I got to know about these things. And students, as you know, they are very fast. They they are more fast. They just learn everything very fast, very quickly, and so they used to guide me. Teacher, do like this, do like this. You have to share the screen and all like that. Cell operation, I'm weak. So I was taught by students and my daughter and all. Then slowly, I got to know, and that's how. This was the difficulty with regard to cell. And if you talk about coming to classes also, no, some students, what they used to do, they used to come to the class and then they used to let's keep the cell on, and then they used to do just their work. So in between, I used to call them. I used to call their names. So these children, other children, they used to put, "Arey, this is calling your name." Then they used to come back. They used to come back like very naughty children. But then I used to guide them, counsel them regularly. This is very important. This is very important period. Beta, you all have been in 10th class. So you should see pandemic situation. Government has given an idea. There's a scope of conducting classes and all. You should not waste your time. At least we are taking only for 1 hour. I'm taking only 45 minutes to 1 hour class. Please attend those classes. This is very important. Physics class is very important. And next year, whoever takes 10th class, intermediate, MPC and all, you should have basic foundation. Like that, I used to motivate them, and please don't trouble your parents. I used to counsel them because students are from different backgrounds. Yes. So some of them are very, they are very practically, they're very strong than the other children. So they have more practical knowledge. So I used to bring back, Nana, what will be your future plan? What will be your future if you neglect it? See, staying quiet without any, busy things and all, it is easy. But what will you do in future if you work hard for 2 years for 10th class and intermediate? You will have bright future. I used to counsel them. You will have government jobs. You can have software engineers. You can, satisfy your mothers. All of them are labor. Most of the parents are labor, vegetable vendors, masons, and film junior artists, students, children. All are there in my school. So see, your din raat, they just work day and night. Those parents. So they go early in the morning and they come at night. They don't know what their children are doing during this time. Some of them, they enjoy, they go out, they roam out. Some of them stay in. Girls are all, we need not tell them. But boys, some of them, they just go. So you should, you attend the classes, you watch the lessons that have been provided to, on all these things I used to say, and try to motivate them and bring back to the, atmosphere of studies and all, like that.
Hello everyone, my name is Suraj Gupta. I'm teacher and founder at Trio Teachers. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe our channel for such educational content. Thank you so much for watching our video. Thank you.